Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. In today's video, we are going to explore one of simplest yet powerful functions, the count function. Count helps you count only the cells with numeric values in a selected range. If your data has text, empty cells, or even mixed text and numbers, the count function ignores the cells and only focuses on the numbers. Okay, let's dive right in. I have a sample dataset here with numbers, text, and even a few cells that combine both text and numbers. I want to count only the numeric values in this range. First, select the cell where you want the result to appear. I am going to click on cell B2, where I want Excel to display the count. Now type =, count. Double-click on the count function and then select the range of cells you want to count. I will select from A2 to A12, then close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel will now count only the numeric values in this range. Notice that Excel counted only the cells with pure numbers. It completely ignored text cells like orange, empty cells, and even the cells with mixed data. The count function only recognizes cells that contains number alone. One more thing, sometimes people confuse the count function with COUNTA. Remember, count function counts only numbers, while COUNTA function counts all non-empty cells including text. So if you need to count everything in a range, COUNTA instead. And that's all there is to the count function. It's straightforward but incredibly useful when dealing with numeric data. So if this quick Excel tip helped you, please like, share and subscribe to stay updated with more Excel insights. Thanks for watching Easy Click Learning and see you in the next video.